Audis versus Audi RS, which is better? Most people get this wrong by assuming higher horsepower always means a better car. The surprising truth is that the Audis and RS cater to different priorities. The Audis is a luxury sedan with a refined 4L twin-turbo producing 563 horsepower. It excels in comfort, technology, and smooth ride quality. Advanced driver assistance systems and premium interiors make it ideal for long drives and executive use. The Audi RS is a sporty hatchback-style coupe with the same 4L but tuned to 591 horsepower. It delivers sharper handling, quicker acceleration, and a more aggressive driving experience. Inside, it's sporty yet luxurious, but comfort slightly takes a backseat to performance. Consider cost and maintenance. The RS is slightly more expensive, reflecting its higher performance and sportier components. Fuel efficiency is similar, but driving style affects real-world consumption. In conclusion, choose the Audis if you prioritize luxury, comfort, and advanced tech. Opt for the RS if you want aggressive performance, sporty handling, and thrill on every drive. Both are exceptional, but your choice depends on whether you value refinement or raw power.